So let's take one final look to our candidates. Joining them on stage is one of the members of the Board of Judges. Kanina tinawag mo tong
Daddy.
daddy.
Daddy ko.
Oo,
Ang
pero
tatay ko.
sabi niya hindi daw.
Baliktad daw.
Oo, baliktad daw. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marco Gumabaw.
It took one look and forever laid out in front of me. One smile, then I died, only to be revived by you. And there I was, thought I had everything figured out. It goes to show just how much I know about the way life plays out. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Ooh. Now I know that I know not a thing at all, except the fact that I am yours and that you are mine. And oh, they told me that this wouldn't be easy. And oh, I'm not one to complain. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you.